I die. Thank you. Ang galing. He said, wow, I die. What? Bisa ka, kamu, bikara, lintian. Bahasa, bahasa. No, bahasa. Oo. No, no, no. No la. No. You can't understand English. I don't speak Spanish. No bahasa. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. But don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I'm not talking bad about you, Kita. Okay? You're welcome here as long as you're gifting me. Oh damn, Birdie's here. Thank you so much, Birdie. Ay, Birdie. Birdie. Sorry, Birdie. Just woke up. No, 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 no. Like an hour. An hour, and then just prepared breakfast for my kids. So, la 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 la. Jason D, hello. Macho yummy. Oh, really? How yummy? Yummy. Bird. Bird, are you still, what do you call this? Are you still a host? Yeah, damn, left. He left. Very yummy like Wagyu steak. Are you still, what do you call this? Are you still a host? Ayan na. My sleepiness is attacking me. Ooh. Birdie. You have been very beautiful since birth. Oh, thank you so much. What is wagyu? What is wagyu steak? What is that? I don't know that. Jason. I also have a Filipino friend, but he's good at speaking Indonesian. Well, I am not good. Well, I am not good in speaking Indonesian because I'm not learning and I am not studying bahasa. Don't compare me with your Filipino friend, okay? We're both different. Terima kasih. Thank you. Salamat. Di ba? God. I don't. If I have every day talking to follow me back, miss. Yeah, sure. There you go. Private. Hello. Bye bye. Bye bye, Poji. Thank you so much for supporting. Don't forget me when you top up, okay? Poji, don't forget me when you top up, please. I just want a griffin. That's it. Or maybe, nasaan na siya? Can we talk? Like what? We can talk it over here. Right, Brady? Ay, nawala si Brady eh. Like what? Bye, take care. King ina neto. Nagpapalo ba ka pa? Bye, take. Sa sarap niyo po, ina niyo. Mamaya ka tingnan. Can we talk? Can we talk? Parang pag-aari niya yung oras ko. Can we talk? Pag-aari niya yung oras ko. Grabe ba? It's like he owned my time. Bebe. 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 Eugene. Good morning.